So one of the questions we get all the time is if I buy a Wrangler with the snorkel kit, obviously I can go underwater up to about here. The big answer to that is absolutely not. Even though it's called a snorkel, it has absolutely nothing to do with how high you can go underwater. If you get the things on top of your motor wet, you're in trouble. That's where your battery is, all your electronics, your fuse box. Not to mention these doors on any car aren't really made to fully keep out water. It'll start pouring in everywhere. What this is really for is for desert running or environments where you're gonna have a lot of bad air down low. The higher air is going to be cleaner air. So this is just taking your intake, which lives around here, and moving the air that your car is getting up top. So if you're in a really sandy environment or a dusty environment, your car is sucking in the cleanest air possible. It's gonna let your engine run a little bit better.